DSC, or Digital Security Controls, is a well-known brand in the smart home security space, offering a range of alarm systems, monitoring solutions, and smart home integrations. Today, I'm going to take you through a detailed review of DSC's security products and my honest experience using them. First, let's talk about the product lineup. DSC offers multiple security systems, from basic alarm panels to advanced smart home integration solutions, like the DSC Power Series and NEO. These systems are designed to work with both wired and wireless sensors, making them versatile for different types of properties. The Power Series is more traditional, offering hardwired security solutions, while the NEO series is a hybrid option that supports wireless expansion, making it a good choice for homeowners looking for flexibility. Installation is one of the aspects where DSC has a bit of a learning curve. While DIY installation is possible, many users, including myself, found that it can be complex, especially when dealing with wired setups. The wireless options are somewhat easier to install, but they still require some technical knowledge. If you're not tech-savvy, hiring a professional installer might be necessary, which adds to the overall cost. When it comes to usability, DSC's alarm panels and keypads are functional but feel outdated compared to newer smart security brands. The interface on some older models isn't as intuitive, and programming can be a bit of a challenge. That said, once set up, the system is reliable and works seamlessly with monitoring services. DSC is compatible with third-party home automation platforms, but integration isn't always smooth. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the strongest aspects of DSC is reliability. The alarm systems are robust, and the sensors have a strong track record of detecting intrusions accurately. Unlike some budget security brands that suffer from frequent false alarms, DSC's motion and door sensors perform well. The downside is that DSC's systems don't offer native mobile app control unless paired with third-party solutions, like Alarm.com. This makes remote access less convenient compared to competitors that offer built-in mobile support. Pricing is another important factor. DSC's products aren't the cheapest, but they're also not the most expensive. The real cost comes in installation and monitoring fees. If you choose to self-monitor, you can save money, but professional monitoring requires a monthly fee, which varies depending on the provider. Some users report that over time, these costs add up, making DSC less budget-friendly compared to DIY security brands with free app monitoring. Customer support is an area where DSC could improve. While the brand has solid documentation, getting direct support can be frustrating, especially for DIY users who run into technical issues. Many customers rely on online forums and third-party installers to troubleshoot problems rather than getting quick resolutions from DSC itself. Overall, DSC is a solid choice for those looking for a professional-grade home security system with reliable performance. However, it may not be the best option for homeowners who want a modern, user-friendly system with seamless smart home integration. If you're comfortable with a more traditional alarm system and don't mind the extra effort required for setup and maintenance, DSC could be a good investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart home reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with DSC or if you have any questions.